Hi everyone, today I would like to explain an article which is related to a famous Bollywood Hollywood personality. I think you guessed the name, yes, it's Priyanka Chopra Jones. As you already knew, she is an amazing actress. Her personality traits are bold, stunning, beautiful. But in her early period, when she entered in Bollywood, she also faced many obstacles. So let me to read a paragraph that is taken from her autobiography. By reading, we will learn and understand how sentence structures are made and in which way grammar help us to understand the meaning. This is the paragraph. The Bollywood system was known at the time for having insider people with generation ties to the business and outsider. Bollywood system means Bollywood industry was known when any helping verb used with the third form, it is called the passive voice. Passive voice doesn't highlight the subject, it conveys the meaning without any subject. Next is used the having. Having is used in the two form as a helping verb or main verb. But when we used it as a ing with the ing, it is called the gerund. Gerund is made by verb by using ing at the last. Generation ties means forefathers. In this line, the meaning is that Bollywood industry only for those people who have forefathers and relatives in these lines. Outsider means newcomers. If you didn't have an insider's familiarity with the powerful people or the lifelong social bonds to fall back on, it was a struggle. In these lines, a past simple tense is used in the negative form. When we used past simple always used with the verb second form, but when we used in the negative form as used didn't, it always used with the first form. Okay, fall back on means a phrasal verb. Its meaning is kind of support in the difficult situations. Its meaning is that if you are not known by anybody in this industry, it is very difficult to survive here. You would have to work much harder to prove your talent and to earn the kinds of role you wanted. Would plus have to. These are the model verbs. Would means imagination, have to means compulsion. Okay, so it is not easy to get any role. It take much determined or hard work. As a 19-year-old newcomer to the entertainment world, I felt like a big boy club that I would never be able to break into. Then she talked about herself when she was only 19-year girl. It was challenging for her to enter in an organization where only operate by a dominant men. Okay, a big boy means an organization operate by dominate men. Break into means enter. Able to is the model verb used for the ability. Over and over again I had to prove to the studio, which were mostly family honored, and I deserve a seat at their table, which was not so easy when I overheard comments at party like, I got her cast in this movie and I can take it away from her as well, and she will never make it as actress to Kali. Over and over again means repeated work. Had to also a modal verb in the past form. Okay, in these lines also used a past verb. Eventually means in the end. Unfortunately means miserable condition. Okay, Kali means remarks on the black skin. Every time I proved myself and got a seat in Bollywood, but I really felt miserable when I heard a lady remarks. She saying she got her role and she never replaced me because she is too Kali. I find it so painfully ironic that in a country populated by people who are all shades of brown, the standard beauty is white. Ironic means contempted remarks. Okay, she felt panic when she heard her remarks, as she know that the country's majority people have the black skin. not the white, but people understand that only those people are beautiful who has the white skin. Hearing comments that dismissed me in such a matter of fact way was distressing, but I could steel myself against them and try to ignore them. Steel means mentally prepared to do something. Okay. In these lines, she said that she ignore everybody and focus on your work. The most difficult time for me, the moment when I felt the most hopeless, were when I was let go from project because a co-actor, director or producer who had grown up at the table wanted to gift a role to someone else. That always crushed me. Crushed means disappointed. Okay, here he share those difficult period, and she said these comments are upsetting me, but I boldly faced and ignored them. But a moment I always remind when I discard from a role because director co-worker wanted to give it to any another or anybody, it really disappointed me. Okay, thank you everybody who watch my channel. Please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.